Yesterday, just before we are going to start our Oracle course, just idea purpose only, some versions I'm telling. 2.0, 1979 onwards, the Oracle Corporation releasing a what versions 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0 onwards, PLSQL is available. Again, 7.1 onwards, Dynamic SQL is available. Just idea purpose only, I'm telling. Up to Oracle 8, I am telling only. Fastly write it, remaining up to 12. See, today we are writing fastly some versions. Then we are starting a subject today, SQL onwards. Okay, our course better to start. And now here next version is, anybody have an idea? Next version is Oracle 9i. Write it, Oracle 9i version. 9.1, 9.2 is there, but 9i I am giving. Oracle 9i. And now this Oracle 9i, when it will be released means 2001 year onwards. Okay, 2001. 2001. Okay, na? Oracle 9i. In this 9i version, what are the new concepts are there means actually now here DML is a concept is there in a feature you are familiar. DML means manipulating a data. Here we are inserting a data, we are modifying the data. Here update we are using, again deleting a data. So now here delete command we are using. Actually in every database DML commands means insert, update, delete. Not only these three, Oracle 9i introduced one extra command in a DML. What is that one? Merge command. This is most powerful in a data warehousing application programmer purpose. But nowadays, SQL server language also this merge is available. But Oracle 9i onwards, Oracle also copying what this concept from ANSI standard onwards. Okay, yeah, write it. This one fastly. Merge statement. Oh, something is there. Merge statement introduced. Next one. Latest joins are there. 9i joins or ANSI joins. That is also introduced in a 9i. What is those things we are learning? Again, some type of queries are there. Special queries, flashback queries. After committing also old data we are retrieving. Actually, renaming a table is there, renaming a column is there, sorry, renaming a column. That is also introduced in an 9i. Here, write it fastly, these all the things. Multiple inserts, multi-table inserts are there, multi-table inserts. Okay, something is there. Okay, yeah. Next up. Finished up important points I'm telling you. Next one. Oracle, next version is what? Oracle, very good. Some fellows are telling 10G. What is G means? Grid computing. What is grid computing? What is cloud computing? What is the difference between those things? Only in our classes, one of these days I will tell you. In olden days, 9 o'clock batch demo class side I am telling, but now not required. Later better. Today we are starting at least course. Grid technology. This is in a 10G is introduced in a way 2005 year onwards. Fastly write it. Okay, just idea purpose. Okay, now. Otherwise, take a snap this one. Just features, no SQL PLS. Completed? Yes. Now 10G side, one important concept is there. That is you must familiar. Why? Because whenever we are starting a course in a practically in a first day onwards, that concept I try to use. And now here, what is that one means? Actually, now observe it here, same like a Windows. Suppose here, now I am deleting a what some record, for example, some document I am deleting in a Windows. In a Windows only, I try to delete a what some document only, for example. And now here, this is a document is there, Durga sub document like this. Now, whenever we are trying to delete a what some document like this only, then automatically that is deleted. But the deleted document is stored in a where? Stored in a where? Which one? Recycle bin. That is a Burwan knows. Recycle bin only. And now here, yes, here. Now I'm opening a what? A recycle bin. Just whatever deleted, so many documents are available or not? Yes, here like this only. Now I want to get it back from the recycle bin also, possible or not? Yes, possible. Observe here this one. I want to get it back in a recycle bin means just we are right click and we are using a what? A restore. Same like a what son of Windows. Yes, Oracle 10G introduced recycle bin as a concept. Whenever you are dropping a table also, that drop table is stored in a way recycle bin. Again, we are get it back from the recycle bin, same like a Windows possible. Windows means right click and restore we are using. But here we are using a what? A flashback table is a command we are using. Here just in place of restore flashback table is a command is there. We can get it back the table from the recycle bin possible. That is a security. That's why same like a Windows concepts they're introducing only. And now here, yes, here like this only. And now check it out. Yes, what are the concepts are there? Recycle bin is a concept is there. Recycle bin. Very important this one. Practically we are learning. Introduced recycle bin. Same like a Windows recycle bin. Again, they are introduced to which one? Flashback table. We can get it back that one. Flashback table. Okay, now again observe it here. This is practically we are learning one of the stage, but today just observe it first time. Suppose here this one I try to use a what? So now here delete button we are pressing means automatically that is deleted and stored in a very recycle bin. Again we are get it back from the recycle bin means opening that one. Just we are using a what? A right click and okay, so now here right click only. We are using which one? So now right click and restore. I don't want like this. I don't want like this only. I want to delete this document permanently means I don't want to store in a recycle bin means just in a where in a Windows we are pressing a what? Which one? Very good. Shift plus delete. These two buttons we are pressing only. Whenever shift plus delete means this is permanently deleted or not. Same like I want to delete a what? The table permanently. I don't want to store a what? Recycle bin means just some command is there. Drop table name plus extra command we are using. Purge is a command. Whenever we are using a what? Purge means automatically the table is permanently removed. That is also available in a where? Oracle 10G onward. Or maybe recycle bin is a new concept is available. Recycle bin is a what? A concept is available only. Recycle bin concept is available in a where? Oracle 10G onwards. Same like a Windows recycle bin. Just observe it here. Suppose I'm creating a table. Okay, don't write it. These things. Just observe it here. J1 is a table, for example. Now this is a table is there. How can I create? Means in our course we are learning. Okay, fine. Now I'm dropping a what? This table. Drop table name. Here something commands are there like this. Now the table is dropped. I try to use a what? DSC job J1 means that object is does not exist. Everything is an object in a way relational data model side. Now, but I want to, because that is stored in a way recycle bin, I want to get it back from the recycle bin possible. Show recycle bin, some command is there in a practically we are learning in our course. Here, yes, J1 table is available in a way recycle bin only. Now I want to get it back from the recycle bin means just we are using flashback is a command is there. Yes. So now here you flashback table name to before drop some commands are there through this okay commands only we are retrieve get it back. Here flashback is completed. Okay, fine. Again the table is available in my database. Yes. And now here the table is available or not? Yes, like this. That's why these type of things are available in a where? Yes, in a Oracle 10G onward. Same like a Windows concept they are introducing, that is a recycle bin. Practically we are learning in our course side. Here I want to get it back from the recycle bin into original state means restore is there in a Windows, same like flashback table command is there. Okay, yeah. Now very important concepts we are learning in a where in a 10G side, introducing only that concepts in a where in our course side we are learning. Suppose you are a Java programmer, you are a .NET programmer, you are a Python programmer, you are a Unix programmer, you are a Linux programmer. So many fellows are well-known persons in aware. What is the concept? Regular expressions. This is most powerful concept. Regular expressions. That's why in every language also 90% of the software languages supports a what? A regular expression is a concept. That concept is available in aware Oracle 10G onwards in our Oracle side also. Most powerful. How efficiently we are retrieving the data by using a what? Some meta characters are there. So many regular expression symbols are there. This is very important nowadays latest programmer side. And now you are a 2021 programmer means very important those things. Okay, those all the things we are using. Okay, fine. Yes, observe here. These are regular expressions. Some special notations are there. Suppose your mail ID is there. For example, some notation we are using means I want to retro ABC, I want to retro Gmail, I want to retro comma. Okay, so now like this something only. So now we are writing a special type of notations. We are retrieving a what? Some type of data. Not only Oracle, any Java, any .NET, any language also. These symbols are there. These special type of meta characters are there. What is those things we are learning only? That is a most powerful concept. That is we are learning in our course. But Oracle 10G onwards, that will be there. That's why introduced regular expression. Regular, write it. This is important actually. So now here a regular expression. Are remaining, maybe you don't have an idea, just write it indices of class. That is not required. That is VLSQL side. Again, WM underscore concat, some function is there, nowadays not available. Write it fastly. Oh, maybe recycle bin. You have an idea, enough. Regular expression. These two are important for our programming side. Yes, which software we are installing, all the things I will tell you, don't worry. How can I download, how can I install, all the things I will tell you. But in a project side, that is administrator responsibility, but our course side, better to know those all the things. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? Oracle software, how we are downloading, how we are loading, step by step, I will tell you. Next, fastly write it. Next, Oracle 11G. At least up to Tulsi today, I'm telling. Oracle 11G, write it. That Oracle 11G introduced in a way 2007. 2007. Finished this one 10G important concepts. Finished this SQL, PLSQL related concepts. Completed? Yeah. Now 11G, right? And now suppose you are putting a what resume in a where Oracle 10G means what are the concern of here? Yes, new features are available. Anybody asking me, so you never mistaken. Why? Because very easy recycle bin. Otherwise, Java, .NET programmers, well-known persons in a where regular expressions, they are telling, okay, fine. But in 11G, you are putting a resume without any knowledge. You are a first-time programmer. Any new feature is there? Tell me briefly one or two features in 11G. They are asking me is don't afraid, only dead easy. Why? Because one feature is easy. What is the one feature means? That is maybe every Java, every C programmer, well-known persons. Suppose you are a C programmer, actually. In a C program side, loops are there. For example, while loop, for loop, so many loops are there or not? Yes, here. Now here, whenever loops we are using means automatically, and now here, yes, you are familiar. And for loop, while loop, so many loops are there. Now in this loop, I want to control, okay, so now send into the where end of the loop means break is a command is there. Same like I want to control send to the where beginning of the loop, then one statement is there. Anybody C language programmer, well-known person means tell me, any Java programmers also nowadays. Very good. One fellow is telling only correct. Continue is a statement is there. Whenever we are using a what a continue statement, sends control to the where beginning of the loop only. That is a what decrementation side in a for loop, in a test condition, in a while loop. Some concept is there. No, same C language or Java language continue statement also introduced in a where Oracle 11G side. Same, 100% same. Anybody good at what PLSQL loops means they are well-known persons. We are applying in a practically. Don't worry. Now that's at least one feature just related to C language, Java language side. I'm telling. Okay, na? Yes, here. Write it fastly. 11G introduced. 11G introduced continue statement. Continue statement in PLSQL loop. Fastly write it because today our course at least we are starting daily demo is not good. fast. Remaining at least one feature also you don't have an idea. Just note it down fastly. Read only tables. Write it fast. Read only table. In a feature, read only table. Next, virtual column. Virtual columns. Next, write it fast. Here, pivot function. Pivot means rows into columns, columns into rows. Pivot on pivot is there. Don't worry. Pivot function. Few technical terminologies. Introduced simple underscore integer data type. Simple underscore integer data type in PLSQL. Here, compound triggers. So many features. Compound triggers. Follows clause in triggers. Follows clause in triggers. regext underscore count function. Sequences are used in PLSQL without using dual table. Enable or disable clauses are used in record specification. Named comma mixed notations are used in the program executed by using select statement. That's the function. Fastly write it this one, otherwise take a snap fast. Because today we are starting it. Just some features are there. Okay, these are pure technical. Anybody putting a resume in 11G in where they are attending interview, these things they are preparing in our notes or otherwise in net or anywhere. These are important features. Completed? Okay, not a problem. Slowly write. Don't worry, these are technical terminology pure. Okay, recorded videos, maybe they're giving or not, you have to ask in a way management. Okay, yeah. Our responsibility, my responsibility is subject. I'm telling all the notes also I'm giving only. Again, in a previous classes notes you want to access or video classes, means you have to ask those persons. Okay. Yes. Some people are asking, do we need to know SQL before PLSQL? Yes, compulsory. Minimum basic knowledge is required. Okay. Completed. This one fast. Otherwise, take a snap. Just or some future. These are all the things. Not now. You don't have. Completed. Very good. Okay. Next, last one. Follow C. I'm telling only. Then we are starting our course. Okay. Yeah. Again, 18C or 19C, we are telling in our PLSQL last only that features. Next, Oracle Tolosi. That is in a 2013 only. They're introducing June 29. C means cloud technology. Nowadays, cloud. Suppose in our class, whatever. Okay, so now we are teaching me. So maybe okay, so now those management only put in a where in a drive, Google Drive. That is not That is a cloud. Anywhere also you are accessing now. Suppose you are unable to install a what Oracle software, live SQL is there nowadays. In that live SQL, your registration is done, then you are practicing in online also. That much of powerful. That is a cloud. Nowadays, always beautiful technology, cloud technology, cloud computing. Oracle Cloud ERP also there nowadays. Cloud technology. Nowadays, almost all the softwares cloud, no? Yeah. Today only we are starting SQL, don't worry. Cloud, okay na? Yeah. Here also fastly rated features. Invisible columns. Next, truncate table dot cascade clause. New top -n analysis. Which first class analysis by using fetch first or next clauses. Next, new auto increment. New why they are giving means olden days some other technology is there. Top analysis means some other concepts, but nowadays different concepts. New auto increment concept. By using default clause. Session specific sequence. Identity columns. Default or default space on null clause. With clause most powerful. That with clause used nowadays in PLSQL also. PLSQL local function. Accessible by clause introduced in PLSQL. Multiple indexes in a table column. Completed. Now up to this one is enough. Today onwards, you are understandable our course without any knowledge of the previous case. Anything you don't know also not about. That much of easy practically all the things. Completed. Yes, just at least take a snap through mobile. Your own way later, you are right. Completed fast. Now our course we are starting on a very easy concept in a way. Total software side means database. How much easy means now onwards you are understandable. Up to now just a theory, okay, just roughly concepts I want means just a terminology purpose I'm telling, okay. And now observe it here. Actually, now here, Oracle is a relational data model product, one of the relational data model product. If you want to operate the Oracle, we are learning which languages? SQL, PLSQL, Dynamic SQL. Actually, how we are learning about these type of Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, like that, those courses means don't try to learn what theory. Anybody learning what theoretically first, suppose here card rules, normalization, and also some of your 3-level architecture, physical data independence, logical data independence, you are afraid. Why? Because first time newcomer, they're receiving that one impossible. Why? Because some knowledge is required in a practical. That's why everywhere in academic career side, also good professionals in a worldwide, otherwise so many fellows are in a way non-technical persons learning about these type of courses, those persons purpose and also easy understandable purpose. Everyone telling a first one very easy. SQL through we are learning means dead easy. SQL language through we are learning about starting about what is going on inside update. Some comments we are interacting means you are understandable. Oh, what is going on? You are understandable. Then only in a middle you are learning what in a theoretical, in a concepts also you are receiving very easy. That is better. And now here, that's why today onwards we are starting what those things only. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, yes. But unfortunately, now concentrate here. Anybody observing or not? Okay, in my system, Oracle software, I'm loading. How we are loading in your system also, I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, so 1 or 2 class after, I will tell you. Okay, fine. In my system, Oracle software is there. Okay, so now we are downloading. What is that one? How can I load this? Installing? I will tell you why. Because so now here user some name, some knowledge is required before installation. That is better. That's why first time telling course. Okay, yeah. Now Oracle. Now here, yes, observe here. Whenever we are installing a that software, automatically one tool is created. Here SQL Plus is a tool is there. What is this one? SQL is a language. SQL Plus is a tool. Daily we are opening a this tool only. And now through this tool we are connect to the very database by using a usernames and passwords. How you are understandable? These all the things. Okay, fine. These all the things today you are understandable. This enterprise edition, express edition, standard edition, person, so many things are there. These all the things first you are familiar, environment you are good, then only so practically whatever I am telling, then easily understandable. Okay, na? Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now onwards, concentrate. Easily understandable. Suppose you are installing a Oracle software. Don't read it. Just very interesting. You are installing a Oracle software. Okay, fine. Whenever you are installing a Oracle software in our system, automatically some place is reserved in a hard disk, in a disk only. This is called a database. Okay, fine. This place, a database is a place only where we can store structured collection of data. This is called a database. Don't write it. Just observe here, a database. Okay, fine. Now you are a user. Okay, fine. You are a user. You are a user. Okay, fine. You are a developer, for example, user or anything. You want to store some data into where this database. Otherwise, we are performing some operations on database. This database. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, if you want to store some data into database and perform some operations in a database, not a single step. Always this user uses two-step process, not a single step process. That is important. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. Two-step process. What are the two steps means? One is, don't write it here. One is first step. Step one is first that user is connect to the database. First step is what? Connect to the database. Again, second step. What is the second step means? Yes, once you are connect to the very database, then only you are communicate with the database. That is important. Communicate with the database. How you are connect with the database means here, whenever you are installing a Oracle software, automatically so many tools are created. One of the default tool is SQL plus tool is created. Through that one, we are connecting only. The diagrams are there. I will tell you. SQL plus is a tool, is a default tool. Toad is a extra. So now here SQL developer is extra. Again, SQL developer, these extra tools, outside tools, that is the GUI tools. The diagrams I am drawing today means you are understandable. First, observe it here. At least first you are connected to the where server. This is a client only server. Yes, by using a what? Yes, okay, some tool. Okay, client tool. Again, once we are connected to the where server, then only we are communicate with the database. How can I communicate? Means communication by using a what? Some languages. In our course, we are learning languages. One is SQL is a language. Another one is PLSQL is a language. Is there or not? Through these languages, we are operating this one. But first connection is required. Now here, yes. That's why if any user wants to perform some operation on Oracle database, then that user uses how many steps? 2 steps. One is connect, another one is what? Yes, communication. Okay, fine. Once we are installing means this tool is automatically created. This is a SQL star plus SQL plus. This is a what? CLI, command line interface only. Now through this one, username password is their security purpose. Now through that one, through users and passwords only, we are connected to the where? Yes, connected. Connect to the where? This database. Database is available here. Okay, so now database. Now what is this one? How can I? With solely all the things I will tell you. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, write it first. Some theory, write it. Easily understandable. Diagrams Oracle Corporation giving. Those diagrams only I'm telling first because easy compared to our classes. Write it. If any user, SQL language next only, but first tool side I'm telling. If any user, write it. If any user wants to, if any user wants to perform some operations, on Oracle database, Oracle database, then that user, which users are there, we are learning. Then that user uses following 2 steps. Following 2 steps. 2 steps, not a single step. 2 steps. These are step 1, right? Step 1. Here, connect. Connect is a concept. Is there today we are learning which tool, what is that one, how. Connect. Example, write it. First time newcomer. No? SQL plus tool, write it. So many tools are there. SQL plus tool today. Right? That another tool also today we are diagrammatical. I'm telling you. Okay, na? Yeah. Oh, maybe. Next, step 2. Step 2 also write it. Communication. Communication means what is the example? Very good. SQL language, write it. PL, SQL, all this is not required. First time, yeah, SQL language. Okay, na? So now first we are learning about this connect tool. Tool also, because which tool we are using, that tool, some knowledge is required. Okay, minimum knowledge is required. That's why first we are starting today, at least connect. Then only SQL language, PL, SQL, these all the things we are learning very easy. Now here, yes, step 1. Step 1, write it. Connect. Step 1, connect. Okay, na? Now 1 minute, observe it here. 1 minute at least. Okay, na? Yes, fast. Observe it here. 2 minutes, observe it here. Then I'm drawing the diagram. First, diagrammatical I'm telling. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. Don't write it. Just observe it. How can I install? Also, we are telling. Don't worry. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, this some place is created, that is a Oracle database. Okay, fine. Don't write it here. I am again I am erasing only. Okay, now fine. Database. Here, collection of database objects are there. Here, tables are creating, views are creating, procedures, functions, triggers, packages, again indexes, clusters, synonyms. So many database objects are there. Okay, don't worry. Okay, fine. Now, I am a user. I am a user. I am a user. For example, Oracle Corporation telling like this. Very easy. I'm a user. I want to here. I want to communicate with the what? I want to talk to this database. Suppose here this is a user. I am also, you are also. This is a user. This user wants to talk to this database. Talk to this database means now here yes, perform some operations into where this database. But this user wants to talk to this database or you use it to perform some operations in the database means yes, which language he is using? Now tell me, which language? Very good, SQL. This is absolutely wrong one. Okay, fine. In any user also in a Oracle side, okay, any user also, I am also, you are also, directly connect to the where database, impossible. First, this user connect to the where, yes, client tool. Some tools are there. These are called client tools or query tools. Then only through these tools, through only they are connect to the where database. In that tool only they are using a what? SQL language. That is important. First, they are connect to the tool. Through that tool only they are connect to the where server. Databases are servers. Client tools or query tools are there. Okay, fine. That's why Oracle Corporation, how they are giving a diagram is, don't write it. Just observe it here. This is a user is there. Okay, fine. This is a original diagram. Don't write it. And observe it here. These are query tools are there. Next, you are writing a diagrams only. Okay, query tools are there. Query tools means client tools only. And now here client tools or query tools are there. Okay, fine. Now, yes, here, now these tools through daily, they are connected to the where, yes, here database, Oracle database, they are connecting. Okay. Now here only they are using a what? A SQL is a language they are using. But yes, you are a first time newcomer, compulsory you are learning a what? At least some tool names. Suppose whenever we are installing a Oracle software also, one default tool is created. That is a what? SQL plus is a tool. This is a default tool. This tool you are not required to load. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically this tool is available. This is a command line interface. But unfortunately, in a project side, debugging side, explicitly they are purchasing some tools. Otherwise, you are experienced person, you are also downloaded to some tools from the where in a net only trial softwares are there. What is those tools? Extra tools are there. Toad is a tool is there. Again, SQL developer is a tool is there. These are GUI tools. These are client tools. SQL developer is a tool is there. Again, SQL navigator is a tool is there. These three tools through also we are connected to the where this database. But here explicitly these are purchasing only. In a where company side, these GUI tools also they are purchasing only. Through the tools only we are operating. But this default tool is available SQL plus. Through this tool, learners learning is a what? A subject is better option. But in a project side also, anybody giving a what SQL plus tool through use it a what this concept means so many fellows are afraid because so many fellows are not good at SQL plus tool. So many fellows are good at SQL developer and told because that is easy. Half of the coding is there. But learner side, I am not recommendable those things. Okay, na? Yes. First, we have to write it. Then only enterprise edition, express edition, so many things I'm telling. Step one, connect, write it. Write it. In Oracle side is in Oracle. Before we are performing any operations on Oracle database, same Oracle database, then that user, write it, then that user first connect to the database by using client tool. Client tool, query tool, they are calling only, don't worry. Client tool. Tool is there. Okay, you are a first time newcomer, no? Some other theory also write it because non-technical persons also there, no? Yeah, write it. Next pair. Whenever we are installing, whenever we are installing Oracle means Oracle server they are calling. Oracle software, write it better. Oracle server we are calling, but you are calling software better. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL plus tool is created. Automatically SQL plus tool is created. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. Default tool means default client tool. Okay, query tool. Default tool. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. Okay, now the diagram I am trying. Don't worry. And now here first newcomer. Observe here. Complete it up. Simple. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. You are also installing in a feature. Okay, fine. This is a query tool is there. That is SQL plus tool. Observe here. SQL plus tool is there. How can I open? What is that one? Start programs, application development. I will tell you. Don't worry. Now here SQL plus tool is there. Through this one, any user. Suppose my name is Morley. Okay, fine. I am creating a one user in my now here yes your system. Why? Because okay another classes are going on. In that one I am creating our own user. You are creating your own user. I am a user connect to the where database by using a what this SQL plus tool through possible or not? Yes. Now here only now here show user. I am a user. Okay, Morley. I am performing a what some operations here. So many things only in my database. And now suppose here another user, okay, any number of users also, which user is there, I will tell you. And now here suppose here A1 is a user, A1 is a user. Okay, fine. These all the users we are creating, don't worry. Now here show user, this user also connect to the where, yes, here database by using a what SQL plus tool is there or not? Yes, any users wants to connect to the where database compulsory first they are using a what any tool, but SQL plus is a default tool only. Suppose Oracle Corporation giving a what? Yes, their own okay users only. That users also learners connect to the where database. Okay, fine. Yes, your spot is a user, password is Tiger, system manager. So many things are there. These are all the things we are learning in our course side. Okay, na? Yes, that's why always whenever before we are performing operation means first connection is important. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. The tool also we are learning. Now concentrate. Here, Oracle Corporation giving a what simple diagram. Through the diagram, everyone understandable. Already we are drawing the diagram. No, yes, here. How now you are also drawing the diagram. Now check it out. What they are telling. What they are telling a Oracle Corporation. Observe here. Yes, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is reserved in a hard disk only. This is a database. But unfortunately, this is a relational database. Logically, not physical. Relational database. And now here in this is also called as our Oracle course we are learning. That's why Oracle database, this one. Okay, fine. Now here once Oracle database is there, and now here, yes, here in this database, logically we are storing so much of data. But how can I, in terms of, yes, here database objects, already in a demo classes, I'm telling in a relational data model products based on okay, so now so first step is what, which one collection of database objects are available or not. That's why Oracle Corporation giving Oracle database contains a what a collection of database objects, tables, procedures, functions, triggers, packages, clusters, indexes, synonyms, sequences. Okay, in a database all same thing only. Now here these are called which one collection of database objects. Observe it here. These are called which one collection of so many things are there. Table only you have an idea up to roughly on a collection of database objects. These database objects we are learning in our course. Database objects, collection of database objects, collection of database objects. And now here yes, these are collection of database, database objects. Okay, na? Yes, here something is there. Okay, at least tables we have an idea. Now, users are there. These users are first connect to the where tool. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, yes, these users, NA users are there. Those users are connect to the where tool first. And now here, but this tool, okay, query tool or client tool, query tool. This is also called as query tool or client tools. Query tools or client tools. Now these query tools through only users are connect to the where these databases. Okay, yeah. So now here yes. Now here once they're connecting, they're operating a data by using which language? Some language. In a future we are learning. No, SQL is a language that is structured query language. Here query language, structured query language. Okay, structured query language. Now, what are the deep tools are available? For example, write it because first time newcomer, better to know the terminology. Okay, na? Yeah. So now, if you're experienced persons, well-known person, but first time newcomer onwards, I will tell you. Example. Now here, what are the query tools are available? Means first one, SQL plus tool, better to write it. This is within the bracket only. This is a default tool. Okay, na? Yeah. Default tool. But remaining tools are not a default tool. That is not a automatically created. Here, second one is GUI tool is there. That is not a default one. Yes, explicitly you are interested to install means install. Okay, na? That is Toad is a tool. Here, Toad also olden days they are using, but nowadays regularly SQL developer there. Toad is a tool. Again, Toad tool. Another one is now here SQL developer, SQL developer is a tool is there. This is regularly using in a project side. Again, GUI, graphical user interface is there. This is SQL Navigator is another tool some companies are using only. Navigator like. Now Navigator. Now here this one and these three is also called as GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. Okay, suppose half of the knowledge you have an idea, then these tools through also you are practicing, not a problem. Okay, now outside also GUI, graphical user interface tools, GUI tools. Draw this diagram fastly, just roughly easily understandable, or maybe some things tools are there, just that names purpose, this collection of objects. Draw this diagram. Otherwise, take a snap through the mobile. Then I am telling whenever you're installing Oracle, how you are opening this tool, which username, which password, what is the default username, default password, what is explicitly some other passwords on usernames, which edition you are working, how you are installing, how can open, so many things. Okay, yeah. Complete it up. Don't worry, slow, right? Or just a newcomer's idea purpose, or some tools, some database, some language, something is there, something is going on. Practically means nothing, very. Toad SQL developer, SQL Navigator is a GUI tools. Okay, yeah. These are objects in our SQL Server, MySQL DB2, all the relational data model products. Also, these objects are there. Anybody missing in a demo classes means don't worry. In a where Wednesday onwards, the add-on batch is there from for this batch in a Durgasoft. They're adding a want every batch to add-on batches only in a backup misses or missing or anything miss. Those persons attending that one, then we are clubbed. Here onwards, understandable, not a problem. Completed, ah? Okay, na? Last 1 minute, fastly draw this one. Otherwise, take a snap. Later, you are drawing only in a very never know. Just a terminology purpose, nothing in here. Completed? Yeah. Now here. Okay, slow. Just at least tool understood. Yes. Now concentrate here. Suppose I am also, you are also installing a what Oracle software. Okay, we are installing Oracle software. How can I install this next? Don't worry. Now here I'm showing one. Now in my system, I'm installing a Oracle software. What they're telling us, Murli sir telling us today, oh, maybe whenever we are installing a Oracle software, then database is created. Then if you want to access this database means, yes, one tool is automatically created. That is SQL plus tool. I'm telling, okay, fine. But unfortunately, how can I open that SQL plus tool? Simple, nothing is there. This is a Windows operating system. So now very easy only. But unfortunately, up to 19C different, but 19C onwards different. 19C side application development tab is not there, but olden days something is there. Just observe it here. Suppose start, okay, fine, simple. Now here, whenever we are installing a what Oracle software, automatically that Oracle here, this one is there, Oracle ORADB 19 home. Okay, Oracle ORADB, now here 10G home, Oracle ORADB 11G home, like this only some tab is there. Okay, na? Yes, you're observed here. Start. Okay, so now through the Windows, observe it here. Very easy Windows through. Now here. Yes, here normally before 19C means programs are there. Okay, yeah. So now here Oracle 19C. Now here. Just click this one. Here so many things are there. One of these days SQL plus is there. Observe here how much easy SQL plus is available. But in the olden days, start programs, Oracle, 11G, 10G, okay, so not all application development, SQL plus tool is there. But nowadays, direct. Just open that one. Yes, Oracle 19C, it will be tab is home, tab is okay, so now here displayed. Just click that one. So many things it will be displayed. In a bottom only, SQL plus is available. Simple, no? And now here, yes, that navigation I will tell you. 19C is different and olden days is different. Okay, yes, here. But nowadays, easy. Now here. Check it out. Here we are clicking this one. And now here, yes, here. Now automatically, yes, this is a username. By default, black screen. I'm converting into white screen means shortcut I'm creating. Then only now here, yes, here, okay, some changes, some changes I'm using color and all these things, then automatically converted. How can I convert means I will tell you, don't worry. Here username and passwords we are typing only. Okay. Then only through this SQL plus tool through, this is a command line interface through, we are connecting only. How can I will tell you. But so now here, yes, visibility purpose only, I am changing. I want my SQL plus tool through changes properties, something I'm changing. Okay, fine here. And now here, yes, here colors and all these things we are interested means just a layouts we are changing. But shortcut we are creating, then only it is changing. Otherwise, it does not change. The techniques I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, na? Yes. And now here, first navigation, write it. Navigation. Okay, how can I open SQL plus tool? Because here connect we are learning, not a communication. Connect means at least which tool we are using that to open and all these things. Okay, later you are familiar, but first. So now example, write it. This connect side. Example, which one? SQL plus tool. SQL plus tool. SQL plus tool. Okay, na? Now actually first before 19C, before 19C, suppose anybody 19C software is not available in your system, but I am giving only that site and all these things Oracle site. Okay, don't worry. But maybe anybody 64-bit is not there, then okay, your system is not supported, then okay, fine. Yes, before 19C, how can I write it? Start programs Oracle -Vora DB 11G, 12C, 10G. These are all the things. Underscore home 1, 2, 3 software. Only don't worry. Then navigation, application development is there. Application development is a tab is there. Here SQL plus tool is there. This is olden days, 10G, 11G, 12C, like. Okay, na? But 19C means different. Slight, okay, because application development, these tabs are removing, they are removing. Oracle 19C, 21C, different, 19C onwards. Oracle 19C onwards, how we are opening? Direct, no? Start, okay, so now this one, which one is there? Yes, already I'm showing, you know, Oracle ORADB 19 home 1 actually, but I am uninstalling something is there, okay, fine. Okay, na? Okay, start. This is also SQL plus. Your programs are not there, no? Okay. Oracle hyphen ORADB 19C underscore home 1. There is a tab, don't worry. Here directly SQL plus. In that one, so many things are displayed, but SQL plus. Yeah. Okay, now. Completed up. Hello. This is completed. At least today, anybody telling you what something I'm asking only, you are telling me is really great. Really. Now here, yes. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Maybe so many fellows are here only mistaken. Now check it out. That's why up to now I'm not starting. That's why practical is different, theoretical different. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software. This is SQL plus default tool is there. Yes. Some users are connected to the very database through this tool. Okay, fine. Enter username. It will be displayed. Now, what is the username? Very good. So many fellows are telling you what is the username? Scott is a username. Okay. Another password. What is the password they are giving a what? Oracle Corporation? Tell me. Very good. Tiger is a password. Anybody telling a what like this means blunder mistake. Now here, yes. This is not a default user, Scott. Scott is not a default user. This is so many fellows are mistaken. Why means Scott user is one of the extra user as available in a where Oracle Enterprise Edition software. But unfortunately, that is most popular vocation of user. Why that popular user means in that user EMP, DPT predefined tables are there. That's why first time newcomer, Oracle side, whenever we are installing a Oracle, Scott is a default user. They are thinking, no, Scott is a popular user. I'm agree, but Scott is a extra user. That is user is available in Enterprise Edition. Suppose the Express Edition you are loading means Scott user is not working. In a 19C also Scott user is not available. Explicitly we are is installing only. What is this one? How you are understandable these all the things means? Yes, observe it here. Actually, what is the default username? Not a Scott, not a Tiger. Here, what is the default username is what? A system is a default user. Now here manager is a default user. Either in a 19C, either Express Edition, either Enterprise Edition, either vocational standard edition, either personal edition, either 19C, either 18C, either vocational 12C, 10G, anything also, system is a username, default user. Again, manager is a what? A password. But what is this Scott? What is this one? Scott only so many fellows are telling. Yes, confusing only. Now, yes, here. Scott is extra user. How you are understandable this concept means? Observe it here. Now check it out. Scott user only we are learning through that one. I'm agree. But unfortunately, here some other concept is there. We are learning Enterprise Edition. What is this one? That's why now here every Oracle version, either 19C, either 18C, either 12C, either 10G, either 11G. These any versions also again editions are available. Express edition, enterprise edition is a popular edition. So why they are giving a Oracle Corporation these editions? In all editions, what is the username? System manager. And also enterprise edition side, HR user, Scott user, these type of users are there. But whenever we are installing a Oracle, again, Scott user unlocking is there. Yes, how can I now here installing a one that Scott user? Those all the things I will tell you. That is important. Okay. So many concepts are there. Those all the things tomorrow better. Okay. Tomorrow we are learning. Okay. Yeah. So now here, yes. That a default user. Okay. So now here I will tell you username, password, and okay. Then Express edition, enterprise edition, which edition, which concepts are there, which user is there. Those users through we are learning. Okay. Na? Then we are learning what unlocking a user olden days. But nowadays, installing a user, those are all the things in installation. I'm telling. Okay. Na? Yeah. So now here, yes. Installation also, why I'm not telling up to now, here some users knowledge is required, because yes, here whenever we are installing this one, Scott user explicitly I'm installing only. Okay. Na? Yeah. So now here this is sites are there, don't worry, these sites I'm giving only. Okay, either Oracle site or this one. Olden days means here 11G C like this, but better to load a what 19C better. Okay. Na? Yeah. How can I install those steps only? I will tell you. So now here next only in a 9 o'clock batch. So now here I'm telling you what steps only. And now here those steps. Okay, fine. These are installation steps are there. Okay, fine. These steps so you are following me. So yes, which one we are connecting. And so now here what is that one? I will tell you. Okay, fine. Then explicitly we are installing what Spot user means invalid user. Then system manager. Actually, I'm giving a tiger because installation time only. Now if you want Spot user, how can I? These all the things I will tell you. Okay, na? Yeah.